Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by removing the crank so you can access the bottom bracket. First, take off pedals and label left versus right. This prevents reassembly errors. Next, loosen the crank bolts with the correct 8 mm hex or crank puller. Apply steady force and avoid stripping. Once the crank is free, remove the dust cap and use the bottom bracket tool to rotate the lock ring counterclockwise. This frees the adjustable cup. Make sure to keep small parts together so nothing gets lost. Now you extract the cups and prepare the shell. On a typical threaded unit, unthread the fixed cup on the drive side clockwise and the adjustable cup counterclockwise. Use the correct bottom bracket wrench and apply steady torque. Once removed, thoroughly clean the shell faces and remove old grease, dirt, and corrosion. If threads are slightly damaged, chase them gently with the correct size tap. Then test fit the new cartridge to confirm orientation and apply a light layer of grease to the shell threads before inserting the new unit. Finish by installing the replacement bottom bracket and dialing in play. Thread the fixed cup into the drive side by hand first, then torque to the manufacturer's spec. Insert the cartridge so bearings seat properly. Next, set the adjustable cup to remove play, rotate until slight preload is felt and confirm the spindle spins smoothly without binding. Reinstall the crank and torque bolts, then fit pedals. Finally, test spin the cranks and ride briefly. If you hear clicking or feel binding, retorque cups and check cup alignment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.